Enormous strands of galaxies in the cosmic web appear to be spinning. Some of the largest structures in the universe appears to be rotating. The filaments of galaxies forming the cosmic web that stretches between galaxy clusters seems to be spinning, which could help us to figure out why the galaxies themselves and everything else in space rotate. How rotate is generated in space is a long-standing problem in astrophysics. Not only are the galaxies spinning, but also the stars within the galaxies, and the earth is spinning, and the earth around the sun and the moon around the earth. Pretty much the whole universe is spinning. However, the astrophysicist from Germany, Noam Libeskind at the Leibniz Institute, said, "We don't really know why, and one way to answer that is to figure out where the spinning stops." Previous research has suggested that clusters of galaxies may be the end of the road for spinning, but Libeskind and his colleagues have found that this is not the case. They used the data from the Sloan Digital Sky Survey to examine the colossal filaments of galaxies that make up the cosmic web, which stretch across hundreds of millions of light years, and found that they are rotating. We cannot measure the rotation directly on large scales, so the researchers looked for patterns in the galaxies moving towards or away from the Earth. As the galaxies orbited the centers of their filaments, they also fell towards the galaxy clusters that marks the end of each strand. These galaxies are moving on these corkscrew-like helical orbits, says Libeskind. The filaments that ended at more massive clumps of galaxies seems to rotate faster, but this is not clear why. More work will be required to answer this question, as well as the question of the filaments, how the filaments' rotation affects the spins of the galaxies themselves. Stay connected until then. I will come with the new news. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new to the channel. Thank you for watching.